Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Stock markets made slim gains on ahead of a European Central Bank meeting that could herald tighter policy as US Treasury yields eased and the dollar retreated on hopes that inflation may be close to peaking. The US government has linked a notorious gang of North Korean hackers to a cryptocurrency address that was used last month to steal more than $600 million from a popular video game. The dollar was on the back foot after tumbling overnight, particularly against sterling and the euro, as US yields paused their march higher, offering some relief to the bruised and battered yen.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US capacity utilization will be released at 13:15 GMT, the US industrial production at 13:15 GMT, the US total net TIC flows at 2000 hours GMT. The French Consumer Price Index will be released at 06:45 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.